In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how we can insert blocks using tool palettes. To open my tool palette, I'm going to go to the View tab, and then here in the Palettes panel, I will select Tool Palettes. The tool palette appears with several different tabs, many with blocks that I can insert into a drawing. I'll start with the Architectural tab here. To bring a block into the drawing, I have a couple of different options. I can either click and drag them, or I can click on them. I'll start with click and drag. I'm just going to click and drag a door out here on screen, and then I can let go. I can do the same thing with some of these other blocks as well. As you can see, clicking and dragging is very quick and convenient, but one thing it doesn't allow me to do is access options such as scale and rotate. So instead of clicking and dragging, I'm going to just click on the door. This time, if I take a look at my command line, I have rotate and scale options, as well as the ability to change the base point. I'll go ahead and choose rotate, and I'll put in a 90-degree angle. And as you can see, I can now rotate the door as I bring it in. Each of these blocks are actually stored in another drawing, and the palette is just simply a link to those. Therefore, if I had a drawing with all of my blocks in it, I can create a tab that points to that drawing and be able to quickly access my own blocks from a tool palette. To recap, I can open up my tool palettes by going to the View tab and the Palette panel. Once I have that open, I can choose the tab with the appropriate blocks. Then I can simply click and drag them into my drawing, or I can select them so that I have access in the command line to options such as scale and rotate. That concludes this look at inserting blocks with tool palettes in AutoCAD.